nature's weirdest rebel, just broke all the jellyfish rules. While most jellyfish float through the ocean, the Cassiopeia flips completely upside down on purpose. Why? This bizarre creature is actually a living solar panel. By turning belly up on the ocean floor, it exposes the algae living inside its translucent body to direct sunlight. These tiny algae perform photosynthesis like plants, creating food that feeds the jellyfish. It's a perfect symbiotic relationship, part animal, part garden. This strange evolutionary strategy proves that survival in the deep takes many forms, and sometimes breaking the rules is exactly what keeps you alive.